sitting here like, is anybody else out here like, where my Boxy Premium box at though? For real though. I mean, for real. I'm just saying, where is it? Hey YouTube fam, what's going on? It's your girl, Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back again with another video, y'all. I got my skincare box for the month of June. Yeah, I got a lot of these videos I need to get up and share with you guys. I just been so busy from the move from Houston to the Dallas area, y'all. Look here, and I know people keep asking me, what about your Sephora haul from the Sephora sale? It's right here. One box I opened, didn't use anything, but this box I have not opened, and both of these are from the Sephora haul. And what is it, the Sephora VIB sale? I didn't open them because I wanted to open them with you guys. And let me tell you why I haven't did that video yet before anybody else asks. I ordered something else. Sunday, they sent out another 20% off. Did everybody get that email? It was like yellow and black. I'm like, I'm on that. So I ordered again. That box won't be here till Monday. So expect Monday night me to put up a Sephora haul. I don't even know what to call it because the VIB sale been so long. I'm just going to call it maybe a Sephora haul. I don't know. Probably not a VIB haul. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah. Let's get into this skincare box. The first one of these boxes, I know I got maybe middle May, the middle of May, and I'll link that video. I'll put it over here. I'll put it right over here. So you guys, y'all want to check that first box out? And let me tell y'all what this skincare box is, okay? For one, I know off the top of my head, let me get my little readers. Yes, y'all, I got readers. I just keep forgetting to grab them, okay? Off the top of my head, did I break them? Oh, I just broke them. But anyway, golly, am I going to be able to use them? I just broke them. I had to break them in the move because I've been had these for a while. I just forget to get them. I'm going to put some glue right there. I'm going to put some little glue right there and keep it moving. But anyway, off the top of my head, I can tell you it's a beauty skincare box, but it's full of Korean beauty items, okay? It says influencer trendy SKINSTAR subscription. The SKINSTAR recommends items that are essential to your skin every month. We provide products for all skin to use safely with high quality and hypoallergenic vegetable ingredients. A brand that studies for effective ingredients and cares only about skin health. Okay, so I was like, oh, that's cool. I remember the first box, send that to me, right? Dang it, I'm gonna fix that. I'm like, send that to me, right? And then when I got it, I was wowed. The box is just, it was full of Korean beauty products. And I love Korean beauty. I love K-beauty skincare products. They are awesome on the skin. So I'm assuming they send it to us little bitty micro influencers. You know what I'm saying? Try it. Let people know how you like it. So with this box, I'm going to start that because my skincare regimen is insane. And I may even, you know, put something in this month's box because I'm overwhelmed with skincare at this time. But I'm happy because anything that keep me looking around by 35, 36, I love it. I was just saying. Okay, this box says be beautiful with SKINSTAR. Now I took it out of the big box, but I didn't open it. This box is kind of like magnetized, which I'm going to keep adding my little skincare stuff into. And then when you open it, it just kind of looks like this. So, ooh, this is different. Tips for unboxing. Okay. Set up camera, show the goods, and share it. Okay, I can do all of that. I can do all of that. SKINSTAR recommends that, okay, that's what I just read, what they recommend. It says, SKINSTAR recommends items that are essential to your skin every month. We provide products that all skin can safely with high quality and hypoallergenic ingredients. That's safe for all skins. Okay, we research for effective ingredients, oppose animal experiments, and only care for skin health. Pretty much the same thing I just read. But what I liked about this box the first time was the little book. So I can use this little book to be clean, anti-pollution. Okay, all right. Very clear SKINSTAR. And everything, one side will be for day and one side will be products that you can use at night. So that's good. That's good. So let's go into the bag first to see what we got. Oh, this bag is heavy, y'all. Girl, I'm smiling from ear to ear. The first thing I see is the PUREHEALS. Okay, this is going to be for day. PUREHEALS Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam. Y'all, I think in the last one it was a mask from PUREHEALS. But anyway, it says one-step cleanser that washes the skin with premium charcoal powder and oriental plant ingredients. Okay. Let's get it. Oh, I like this little chic packaging. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. I've seen this. I think it was the mask, but yeah, this going in my, as soon as the cleanser I'm using right now, which is the Biorio Rose Gold Cleanser, I'm jumping into that. I might go ahead and set that to the side. So next month box, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick some stuff out of this box that I'm gonna use right now. So when next month's SKINSTAR box, I can give y'all an update. The next thing I see in here is the CLV Premium Ginseng Berry Premium Cream. I think this was in last month's box too. But I ain't gonna complain because like I said, I can always put it in a giveaway. CLIV Ginseng Berry Premium Cream, 50 milliliters. The premium cream that is skin that enhances skin elasticity, strengthens skin with ginseng berries extracts. There are no prices, y'all. It's just giving me a list of the products, so I can't give you the prices. But I'm pretty sure all these products are available here in the States and probably Korea. You can just Google it if you want to try it. But I'm saying, I'm going to give y'all some updates so we'll know how good it is. Let's go to the next one. All this is morning again. And the next thing in here is the first ampules cream. I remember this box. This was in the last box. Where is it on here? Oh, it's not on here. I don't see it on here. BB cream that enhances the elasticity and the glow of skin. And it says it's got Fermentox 30% with SPF 37%. I already got one of these, so I'm definitely be putting it in a giveaway box. The next thing I see in here is the Tea Tree Ampule. Now for this, I am excited about. This says essenHERB Tea Tree Ampule 50. Ampule that prevents moisture loss and protects skin by containing tea tree and ingredients. Okay. I gotta open this one. Oh wow. And I love anything that's herbal oils. So extract and oil soothes sensitive skin and controls sebum oil production. This is another thing that I'm gonna start using. You know what? I'm gonna say July 1st. I'm gonna sit a few items out in July 1st. I'm gonna start using them, and I'll let you guys know maybe mid-July, almost in July, how things are going. And the next thing I have in here is essenHERB Black Tea Scrub, mild black tea. This is what it looks like. It says, oh, this is for night. essenHERB Black Tea Scrub, a scrub containing black tea that cleanses and purifies the pores. Oh, I wish I could read this. It says black tea with chamomile, scent seeds, leaf extract, scrubs and cleanses the pores. Black strap power, chamomile, scent seeds, leaf extract, soothing scrubbing, containing patented complex of extracts. That's about all that I can read on this. Y'all, I am. Girl, I'm gonna be looking every bit of 23. This is, I gotta open this one. I got to open this one. Because I love black tea, the fresh. Ooh, that's what this scrub looks like. For a whole month. How about I'm going to use all of this from July 1 to August 1. Mid-month, by the time I get the next box, I'll let you guys know how it's working for me, okay? I'm excited about this one. I am really excited about this. Ooh, black tea scrub. Okay. Oh, Wow, okay. There is a small tweezer and a small spatula inside of this bag to keep everything you use in sterile and to dip and not use your hands, I'm sure. So I'm happy with that. I am happy with that. I am happy with this box. Thank you, SKINSTAR. Yeah, I need to go put aside what I'm going to use. But that's not all, y'all. We ain't done. We got to go over here to the little happy face side and see what we got over here. Remove fine dust and recharge moisture. Let's be reborn. As a flawless skin through the April SKINSTAR box, which is full of products that help to remove fine dust in April and recharge moisture. So this was April. Ooh. And I think I got it in May. So I'm a little bit behind, but I'm finna jump into this box. But I'm pretty sure it was mid-May when I got it. So it might have been April box. It took a little while to get to me. But yeah, anyway, the next thing I see here is PUREHEALS PROPOLIS 80 Sleeping Mask. This is heavy. This is really weighted. It's heavy. Let me let you guys see what it looks like. And this says PUREHEALS PROPOLIS 80 Sleeping Mask, 100 grams. Sleeping mask with long-lasting moisture, propolis ingredients, and effectively moisturizing the skin. So it says it provides full nourishing and glowing skin for the tired skin while you sleep. I want to open this. I'm gonna open it. Only reason I didn't want to open it is because I'm using the mica. What is it? The CICA. The CICA skin sleeping mask from the Laneige. Ooh, I like the way it smells. It just smells real clean. Really clean. Okay, I gotta get through that Laneige. Yeah, June 1st. So I'm gonna make sure I start using all my skincare day and night. So July 1st. This is all I'm gonna use, all my Korean beauty products. And the last thing in this box, make sure, yep, this is it. This is the last thing in here. And this is the CENTELLA, I just told y'all, CICA toning pads. The pads, so I don't have to go through wetting my cotton balls. This is, ooh, y'all. Okay, let me calm down. CICA toning pads. It says a mild soothing pad that soothes sensitive skin with high concentration of CENTELLA toner. Okay, it has toner, CENTELLA toner, y'all. And this is from the same company that I can't say it. I'll let y'all see it. That's the maker. And if I'm not mistaken, that's the same company that, where is it? Yes, that made this right here. This intensive treatment BB cream. Yeah, it is. Okay, I'm excited. I'm really excited for these toner pads. I really am. I need to look at this really close. It made me think about what was in my BoxyCharm. That BB cream was really light. This one doesn't give me a color, but it's Korean beauty, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be light, but I'm gonna put it in a box because I already have it anyway, so somebody else can enjoy that. Okay guys, that's the end of this month's box, and I am keeping this cardboard box because it is super sturdy. It is super sturdy and perfect for putting my skincare in. And y'all be looking out. Hopefully by Monday, I'll have this little Sephora plus the box that I just ordered Sunday, which should be here Monday. And then until then, y'all, I'm going to be getting ready unless y'all want to, well, getting ready. I didn't say I go back to work on Monday. Monday will be my first day back in the hospital. So I know I haven't been here a lot, so I'm really not going to be here a lot. But yeah. Since and at the new job that's here, so I can't wait to get started, and I will see you guys soon. Y'all might be seeing me on here in scrubs. I ordered a lot of scrubs and a lot of back to work, you know, stuff for a new facility. If y'all want to see that video, let me know. All right guys. Oh, and somebody gonna want to know, girl, what is on your lips? This ColourPop, what is this, girl? girl, it's a ColourPop lipstick. I mean lip pencil in Hot Fun or something. Oh, I don't know how I forgot it. It's Heart On. The ColourPop lip pencil in Heart On, and this Urban Decay lipstick in Girl. And what is it? Big Bang. That's what's on my lips. And it's one of those little, yeah. That's what's on them. They're so colors. That is a pretty pink too. Okay, y'all, that's it. I'm just running my mouth and rambling for nothing. I will see you guys in the next video. Happy Juneteenth, everybody. I hope y'all having a blessed day-to-day. Hug somebody. Virtually. I forgot. Or a family member, you know. Just share some love. That's all I'm saying. All right, bye guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye y'all.